All right, we're looking at a TI-30X calculator. And if you look, there's the screen up there. You got all these neat little buttons. You got a second button, DRG, DEL, just some different buttons that you have all over this calculator. So what we're going to look at is just the buttons that we need to cube a number or to find a cube root of a number. So let's say we've got the number 8. We've got a cube with 8 on each side. So we want to take 8 and multiply it by itself 3 times. So we can do 8 times 8 times 8, which equals 512. Well, there's also a little shortcut to that. We could just do 8, and then there's a little up arrow button right here that you can see. If you click on that, that will put that little up arrow right next to the 8, and then I just type in the number 3. So that means multiply 8 by itself 3 times, and then when I hit equals, I get that same 512 that we got just a moment ago. Well, what if I have the number 512 and I want to ask myself, what's the cube root of 512? Or what number multiplied by itself 3 times gives me that 512? So then I just kind of go backwards. I hit the second button. Oops, excuse me. First, let's clear out what we have on the screen. And then I want to find the cube root. So I'm going to type the number 3, then the second button, then that up arrow key again. And now it's asking me, what number do I want to find the cube root of? And so we had the number 512 just a moment ago. So the cube root of 512 is 8. Well, that seems pretty easy, and it's nice to know that your calculator will find that for you. Let's try another one. Let's do the cube root of, we hit second up arrow, the cube root of 125. So what number multiplied by itself 3 times gives me 125? If I hit equals, I end up with the number 5. And that's true. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 25 equals 125. So that's the right answer. Let's try one more. So let's hit clear. We're going to find the cube root of the number 8. So what number multiplied by itself gives me 8? If I hit equals, I end up with 2. So 2 times 2 times 2. So that's how you find a cube root or cube a number on the calculator.